Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply locate a game in UPLAY, an installed game in UPLAY. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just let's click on games, and I get see here like the install games. I see here Hyperspace. I will click on it, and now what I will do, I will just click properties, and now I can select local files. Where is the game installed? Open folder, and now I can see like everything here. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. And again, you go here, you go to games, click on your game and click to properties. Another Rainbow Six, Tom Clancy, Hyperspace, here. Goodbye, my brother from another mother. And if it's a Steam game, you need to go like this. If you first download it on Steam, you go in library and then... Oh my god, really, man? Please load. You're just gonna see it here in library. That's it. So, goodbye.